Hello friend, welcome you to your very own channel Easy Tech Solution, and today I am going to tell you how to unlock your phone with the new tricks. So let's before starting this process, I will give you best tricks for unlocking of any Android phone. You will unlock pin pattern finger face lock without any data loss. So let's start friend. Whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all. So before start the unlocking process, make sure your mobile battery minimum 40 to 50% to have to charge so that your mobile is not switched on in the process of unlocking. If mobile is switched off at the time of unlocking process, it may be your important data of your smartphone remains in danger of being deleted also. Watch this video till the end friends, only then you will able to unlock your smartphone. So this method is offline method. So in this uh, uh, first of all you have to click on emergency button, and when your emergency or call option comes, apply with unique codes star 85211106. Be careful my friend. A star has, and last one is a star has. So we have to apply call button in three minimum three times. So you can note down, or you can take a screenshot this unique code. After completing this, we have to erase. You have to erase this code and apply new and very important step. Now you can activate master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It's called engineer mode. So have to apply master unlocking code, and this code is star hash 899 and hash. Now you can see on the screen engineer mode is open. As you are looking the number 6, a smart software version, and second number you can see Android version is 12. Same if your Android version is 10 or 8 like this, so press the same. As soon as the process will be completed, now we have to click 12 time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. After completing this process, we have to come back. After this, now you can click on manual test. So I'm going to click on manual test. Now I can see, and you will come. Now you have to go to the last page. Others option is there, which belongs to other by swiping it from the bar. Now you will see 5 to 6 option is there. You have to in this very carefully friend. First of all, you have to click on the database version 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After completing this process, you have to click on key status also. Now you can see all are status coming pass. Now you have to go back with the device debugging is coming. So you have to click on sensor self test calibration option is there, which is sensor self. Now you have to open it and press same time. Both are coming error. Again apply, press the same. Now text one is text passed. So with the option that default of any mode, you have to click. By the way, you have click home button now, and we can see our phone is unlocked or not. Now you can see my friend, our phone is unlocked, and without any data loss, without any application lost. I hope you like this video. See you again in a new video with the new tricks. So subscribe my channel, share, like,